This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, Azure account creation. These three topics we'll have to discuss on that one, guys. What is on-premise? What is cloud? Okay. For example, before cloud, how we are working in the on-premises. I worked on those things also, guys. I will give the comparison between on-premise and cloud. For example, like this is on-premise, guys. This is on-premise. Okay. This is cloud. Okay. We'll have to discuss about the what is on-premise or cloud. This is on-premise or enterprise IT. We can call it enterprise IT. And here it is cloud. Why? Why everyone is moving to cloud? I will tell you the few differences, guys, for that one. But actually, before cloud, but actually it was not there cloud in 20 years back, right? What happened is the on-premises, how they are maintaining the clouds, everything. We'll have to discuss on that one infrastructure level. Like here, for example, like if you want to start the organization, we need like applications, like applications, and we need security, and databases, and operating systems, operating systems, and virtualization, and servers, and storage, and networking, and data centers. Okay, these are the things we'll have to maintain it, guys. For example, like applications, security, databases, operating systems, virtualization, and servers, storage, networking, data centers. For example, what they will do, what they did like the previous before cloud, like they will have to purchase the 2 acres land, guys, 2 acres land, and they will have to set up one data center. Like they will have to like application like data centers, networking, storage, server. They will have to buy the physically, guys. For example, servers is the thing, but virtual machines, virtual network, uh, everything it will be included in servers, guys. Virtualization, how we can do the virtualization servers, everything they will have to do in one place, guys. For example, I have my I have purchased land in Hyderabad in 2 acres. This is one region, guys. For example, in this region, I will have to deploy everything, guys, like data center, networking, storage, server, virtualization, and operating systems, like databases, security applications. Okay, in this situation, everything it will happen. For example, I will give the one website like uh, uber.com. Okay, this is the one website. It is launched by again, for example, guys, like I am telling 2019. Okay, 2019. It was started on 2019. Okay, everything is fine. For example, they have maintained like servers are 30 servers they are maintaining. So in 2019 till now, storage account also they will have to maintain some capability, and operating system also they are using Windows or Linux. Database is also some configurations they are using. In 2021, their business is increased, guys. Their business is increased. All the management they have decided to give the offers. To give the offers, for example, Uber.com, it is we assume like that one. This is a e-commerce site, guys. E-commerce site. We can assume like that one. E-commerce site. For example, they have given offer like 8th December 2021. They have given one offer. What is that offer? 8 to 9. Morning 8 to 9, they have given offer to valuable discounts. Okay. On that time, we need, for example, all the customers, guys. All the customers, they hit at a time 8 to 9 servers. For example, each server capability is 1000 hits. We can assume, guys. We can assume. Okay, each server capability is 1000 hits. For example, we don't know how many are hitting in our website. At a time, they will have to hit at a time 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs to 5 lakhs. We cannot assume like that one. At that time, our server are not capable for that one, guys. For example, sometimes did you observe that one before cloud, like 5 years, 6 years, 10 years back, Flipkart has given offer on that between the timings. When you hit that one, server went down, site is very less. For example, site is very low, and speed is low, like you are not browsing anything. For example, if you buy the any item due to, for example, in the payment field, it will fail due to the server issues. We don't know exactly what happened in the back end. I will tell you everything in the back end. What happened it is. Okay. At that time, 8 to 9, what happened is management has decided, okay, they have given offers 8 to 9 on 8th date. But actually, these servers are not capable. Okay. They are planning to buy one more 30 servers. One more 30 servers, guys. 30 servers. They have bought like some amount, like 40 lakhs. Can you please mute yourself? Hello? Hello? Can you please mute yourself? Okay. At that time, they have made they have purchased another 30 servers, guys. For example, like they have spent some amount like uh, I can assume 5 lakhs, guys. For example, they have given one more offer on 12th date in the same 8 to 9. Okay, but now it has 60 servers. After 9, only he wants only 30 servers, guys. Only he wants 30 servers. Okay, what they will do, guys? Remaining 30 servers, cost expensive is waste, right? A client observe like that one. For example, he purchased 30 servers, but actually he should have to maintain here 60 servers, right? 30 plus 30. But actually, they should have to maintain here. They will not buy to another in the same situation. But actually, what they can do, cloud involved, guys. Cloud entered into the picture. What is, for example, same thing they will provide it, guys. For example, like data centers, networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating systems, databases, security, and applications. Each service cloud will provide it, guys. For example, like 30 servers are maintaining on premises. If they want to buy remaining 30 servers to cloud, yes, it is possible. I need only 1 hour, guys. They have purchased 5 lakhs amount, right? Here, they will give only 50,000 for 1 hour amount. They will buy same configuration, same applications from cloud. After that, it will shut down automatically or terminated our servers. In this situation, cloud entered, guys. For example, if you want something, guys, like pay for use. For example, like I will tell you next scenario about that one. Like these are the, for example, like here, cloud is maintaining. How many cloud providers are available, guys, in this market? How many cloud providers are available? Like Azure and AWS and GCP and blah blah blah, guys. For example, we do have a lot of providers is giving infrastructure, everything related things, guys. For example, Azure is providing Azure and AWS and GCP. Now we'll have to discuss about the Azure, guys. For example, like here, how they are maintaining the data, guys. For example, like in cloud, this is one region. This is one region. Region is nothing but, don't worry, guys. For example, data center. For example, this is one region. This is one region. For example, like this is located. Where it is located? Like east to west. Where it is located? West to east. Where it is located? Like UK. This is Canada, guys. In the same situation, actually, we do have like a lot of regions are available in Azure, guys. AWS also same maintaining for regions. Like for example, your client here, guys. For example, your client is from US, guys. But actually, he will select the region. He will select the region where he will select the region, guys. Either Canada or UK or West US or East US. Can you please tell me, anyone, which is the nearest place from US? Either East US or West US. But he will not select Canada. Yes, he will not select Canada. He will not select UK. Why? Because he will have to infra build everything. You will have to tell the US, guys. No problem. Client will decide it, guys. Client will give the location, everything to East US. This is in this situation, cloud entered into the picture, guys. For example, like this is user. You are the user. For example, these are the, we can call it as Azure resources, guys. All the resources. This is the resources we can through internet, through web browser, through internet or web browser. Web service. Yeah, web server, guys. From here only we will get access, and we can buy it, guys. We can buy it, sell it, and terminate it. Everything it is possible in website. For example, like website name is portal.azure.com. I will tell you how to create the account in the Azure portal. Do you have any doubts, guys, till now? Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts, guys? Okay, if you don't have any doubts, I will have to go to another task, guys. Like organization, why we use teams, and we'll have to maintain the different teams, right? I will give the few examples, guys. For example, like how they build, how we are using, like infrastructure, everything for that one. This is mobile, guys. This is mobile. This is your laptop. This is your server. Server is nothing but leave it here. Person, guys. Like you can assume a person here. Nothing bad, everything for that one. This is mobile. Your mobile. This is laptop. Your laptop. Okay. This is server or VM, whatever it is. We can call this virtual machine in cloud. Okay. For example, what are the things do you need to run the mobile, guys? Can you please tell me all? What are the things do we need to run the mobile? Hello? What are the infrastructure? What is the hardware we required to run the mobile? Everybody is using mobile, right?
Yeah.
Yes, storage.
Yes, yes.
Storage, correct.
RAM,
Storage, yes, correct. RAM,
RAM,
okay. I
motherboard,
am expecting response from
OS.
motherboard.
OS,
Yes, correct. Motherboard, OS. OS is nothing but operating system, guys.
top,
Storage, RAM, motherboard, OS. Now tell me, what is the hardware you are using in your mobile? Anything. What is your in your mind? Tell me. I am expecting from your answers. CPU is there, right?
SMPS,
CPU.
power supply,
Okay. Power supply. Yes, correct. Okay. Is there anything? Is there hardware thing?
display,
Yes. Display. Okay. But same thing we can use it in laptop also, right? Are you agree?
yes,
Yes.
Yeah. Same thing. It is available in server also, guys. Same thing. It is available server. For example, You are using which how many operating systems are available in mobile, guys? How many
Android.
operating systems? Android?
Only Android and
Android
iOS.
and iOS. Okay. How many operating systems in laptop, guys?
Windows.
Windows?
Windows, Linux,
Linux.
Windows? Linux? Linux? Yeah, tell me.
Ubuntu.
Ubuntu. These are the operating systems
Red Hat.
we can install in laptop, guys. But 90% of the people, they are using Windows, guys. Okay. Same thing, it is applicable in server also, guys. Like, for example, laptop is equal to server, guys. You feel like a laptop. Like same operating systems in real time, in technology, like real time scenario, everything will have to maintain like Windows
server
operating
op-
system,
server op-
Ubuntu, Linux,
Red
X,
Hat.
Red Hat, and Linux both are same, guys. Linux, X, Solaris. These are the servers, guys. These are the operating system. Can you please tell me if the Android is failed, what will happen to your mobile, guys?
it's not
What will
working.
happen, guys? For example, my Android OS, guys, it is failed. What will happen?
Blue
My
screen error.
Android OS. Hello?
Blue screen error.
What
Bro.
happened? Okay. If
OS
Android is
failed.
not work, if mobile is work, Android, your OS is failure, mobile will work, it will shut down, right?
No.
Yeah, it will shut down, right? Everything mobile. Now I can call it is it is a heart of mobile, right? Operating system is a heart of mobile. Same thing we can without operating system, your laptop will work.
No, it will not.
No. Like same thing, server also. For example, your operating system is down, your server went down, guys. Same thing, like you feel like a real-time scenario, guys. For example, now you are using RAM 4 GB, guys. Your mobile is slow. For example, like your mobile is stuck. Where you need to go, guys? You decided to 4 GB to 8 GB. Where you will have to contact to extend the 8 GB, guys, to mobile store, right? If you want to extend anything 4 GB to 8 GB, you will have to contact with mobile store or something. For example, the amount is same, guys. For example, like okay, we'll have to discuss later on that one. Like RAM is, guys, 4 GB, almost utilizing full. What you can do, guys? Now you can take a storage account. Like you have only 12 GB, guys. 12 GB is full. What you can do? For
You need to
example,
delete
you want to load,
unwanted things and the same repeated files.
okay. You want to delete unwanted files, right? How you can delete manually, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
manual.
For example, like yeah, motherboard. And CPU also same thing, guys. Your performance is 100% full. Okay. Same thing you will have to contact with mobile operator, right? Here also your storage is full, guys. For example, you have to delete unwanted files, right? Same thing here. Real time scenario. Each thing we will have to contact it, guys. For example, I will tell you the bad, guys. For example, like here you have problem with heart, guys. To whom we need to contact, guys? Which doctor we need to contact? Hello? You
Cardiologist.
have heart issue. Yeah. For example, eyes. But each and everything we have specialized is there, right? Like ENT, we have to contact. Those are the doctors, right? For example, each doctor they will have to handle like heart and eyes and ENT, right? For example, if you want any pain with eyes, you have to contact with like know something ENT doctors. Same thing, guys. Each and every organization they should have to maintain the teams. Same thing. For example, RAM is full, guys. For example, RAM is 100% full. How you can do the troubleshoot it? Troubleshoot is nothing but like what are the themes they will have to involve. I told you, right, like Azure operational engineer. Okay, like for example, like storage issue or RAM issue, motherboard issue, OS issue, CPU issue, like display issue, whatever it is, you will have to contact with Azure operational engineer. For example, now we'll have to what is responsibilities of Azure DevOps? What is the responsibilities of Azure data engineer? What is the responsibilities of Azure developer? Okay. What is the responsibilities of Azure DevOps? For example, if the website is there, right? For example, my website is flipkart.com, guys. For example, like, okay, client asked you to add new features his website. Add new features his website. What will happen? We'll have to, for example, code and everything, like developer will handle it, guys. Developer will handle it. What developer will do? Okay, they will test it locally and everything for that one. They will send the code branches, guys. From here, branches to multiple environment in our responsibility, guys. Azure DevOps engineer. For example, to deploy the code from production, reflected like Azure DevOps engineer. But we have QA testing is there, like they will test the code, everything. But we do have multiple environments is there. In this role, we'll have to maintain it, guys. For example, in case deployment failure, to whom we need to contact? Azure DevOps, guys. Is there any code issue? We'll have to contact with developer. In case infra issue, we'll have to contact with operational engineer, the Azure data engineer. But you will have to, like, in case any migration project is there, for example, Azure data engineer, they can use like ADF, Databricks. These tools they can use migrate from here to there, guys. For example, this is ADF, this is Azure DevOps, this is storage account. From in this situation, we can use each and everything, guys. For example, you feel like a doctor, guys. For example, you will take the responsibility for that one. In case RAM depletion full, ticket will raise and assign yourself and work together as you are operational engineer. Same thing, I will show you in real-time scenario, in practicals and troubleshooting in our practical sessions, guys. Do you have any doubts, guys, till now? Why we are using, what is the use of storage, RAM, everything? It is similar to same thing, guys. For example, like it is similar, but actually laptop and server, it is the same thing, guys. Do you have any doubts till now? Do you have any doubts, guys? Now I will have to go to how to create the Azure account, guys. Do you have any doubts? To whom we need to contact? Is there any issue occur? Storage issues, or like, is there any failure, guys? We do have different teams are there in our real-time scenario. Due to that reason, I have explained clearly. In case like if you have any issue, you have to contact Dr. Rice, right? Same thing, you have any CPU issues, you will have to contact with our operational engineer team. Like infra issue, like to create the infra related thing, build engineer is there, guys. They will build everything for that one. Do you have any doubts, guys? If you don't have any doubts, I will go to create the Azure account, guys. Now we'll have to go to the portal.azure.com. Go here. Here, I will take the email, guys. And prerequisites, I will tell you guys for that one. To create the Azure account, prerequisites are like credit card is mandatory, guys. Credit card is mandatory to create the account. Either ICICI or HDFC, whatever it is. Okay, it is debited 2 rupees, guys. From 2 rupees to actually I observed a few of the credit card, they can observe like 75 rupees, guys. No problem, they will refund it. They will refund in 1 week, guys. In 7 days, they will refund it. Yeah, it will expire existing account like but did you can check whether it is expired or not, your subscription. Okay, they will give one subscription, guys, free subscription. It is valid only 30 days. Be careful, guys, you'll have to practice it. Ahmad, can you please take any one of the credit card? Your friends are there, right? It will take
Okay.
only, it will take 2 rupees only. Okay.
Okay.
30 days. After 30 days, you will have to choose pay as you go. Don't go for that one. After 30 days, I will tell you how to create. I will tell you how to create new account. New account. Okay. After that, you can use again, guys. For example, they will give the around 13,000 to 14,500 credit points, guys. For example, if you want to create any resource, your resource, the amount will debited from here, guys. Credit points only. You don't spend any single rupee itself. How to create that one? I will tell you now. Go here, portal.azure.com. take the email, select here create one, guys. Please be careful. Select create one. Now here paste it. What is the email here? DevOpsAzure88@gmail.com. Okay, next. Create the password, guys, for you. Create the password and you will be getting one enter code, guys, through email 5760. Okay. Now your Azure account will be created, guys. Pick the cat where it is. It will ask a few questions for security purpose. Yeah. Now your account is created, guys. Where we'll have to give the account details, everything. Actually, select here, start to free trial. Here we have like start with Azure free trial, manage Azure Active Directory. Like you can choose this option, guys. Start Azure free trial. Here you'll have to give the full details, guys. For example, like Kiran Kumar, same email, phone number. It is you can give, guys. You can give like I can give like 8008 322434. Okay. So I have used a lot of number times this number. Can you please tell me my number, guys? I forgot it. Yeah, I got it. 8143 62 9095. Okay. Yes. Yes. You can click text me. You will receive one message, guys. Yeah, you will receive one message here. Yeah, 6474. Okay. Now you can verify your mobile number. Click organization, guys. Anything you can choose any company, guys. For example, not your company. For example, I can choose like any company, persistent. Okay. PAN card is optional, guys. Don't give PAN card number. Don't give PAN card number. Okay. Then you can click agree and agree. Click next. Your details will be saved here, guys. After that, we can give the sign up. It will take some time. Yeah, David is asking sign up, right? Here, you'll have to give the amount details, everything, guys. Here, see card name, card number, expiry, CVV, address you can give here. Like where we are staying Hyderabad, you can give the Hyderabad. Don't give complete address, guys. Just Hyderabad, you can mention it. City, for example, where you took the credit card, in the same location you can give here, guys. City also same, state, postal code, then you can sign up. Actually, they will ask only 2 rupees only. For example, if you are purchasing in Flipkart, everything, you have to provide the all details, right? Here, same thing, guys. Card number, like, give the card number here. Here. Okay. No problem. You can give the correct
It's a
card number,
name.
guys.
It's a name.
Okay. Sorry. Just you can give the any card number, guys. I am giving like temporary for that one. Just here, expire date and year, you can give the CV number, address, and now you can sign up, guys. Once everything is completed, you will get in this way, guys. Like I have already account is there. Yeah. Here we can able to see here. For example, after paying the amount, you will have to able to go to the subscription, guys. I don't have any amount here. I think my account also is expired. We can able to see it, guys. I will have to create one more account tomorrow. This is retail account, guys. You can able to see here subscriptions. Here like subscription retail, we can able to see here. I don't have about route right now. Here 3 columns is there, right? These are the blades, guys. We can call it as a blades. We can call it as a blades, like home dashboard. If you want any service here, you can take here, like a resource group, app services, SQL databases, load balancer, virtual machines. Everything here, it is available here. If you want a search box, like search box, guys. For example, like if you want to search anything, guys, virtual machine, like or app service. If you search here, you can use here. Like this is cloud shell, guys. This is cloud shell. This is cloud shell. This is notifications, guys. For example, like if you want to see any notifications or, but my account also expired. It was created for long back. I don't have any credit amount. I will have to create one more account for that one. Okay. You will have to see the notifications here, guys. Okay. In this way, this is the portal dashboard which we are going to real time and monitoring everything, guys. Storage account, virtual machines, configure everything. I will show you one more DevOps dashboard, guys. Dev dot. You will have to create later for this one, guys. You don't want to create right now. After 10 to 15 days, you will have to create it. This is the dashboard, guys, where we are using like Azure DevOps. I told you, right, how to manage the tickets for that one, everything. Where we can manage those things, boards. Where we can manage the repo code here. Where we can do the deployments, everything, continuous integration, continuous deployment, everything we can save here. Where we can store the wiki links, everything, we really have to store it, guys. For example, I told you the demo, guys, GitHub, everything. Don't need to GitHub, guys. Here they have given Azure repos. No need to install Jenkins, everything. Here we can do continuous integration, continuous deployment. Okay, I will show you for those things. Here when you click here, here we can able to see here pipelines, environments, releases. Here we can do the continuous integration, guys. Here we can use continuous deployment. Most probably we can use the two dashboards only. This is portal.azure.com. Here dev.azure.com. We'll have to start the DevOps classes after 10 to 15 days, guys. Okay, boards where we can maintain the tickets, everything. We don't want maintain any ticketing tool here, guys. If you are Azure DevOps engineer, you don't want maintain any ticketing tool. Here only we'll have to track the tickets, everything. We'll have to create the tickets and maintaining the tickets and incidents, everything. Under boards, we'll have to create it, guys. From tomorrow onwards, we'll have to go to the create and the resources and everything. We'll do the troubleshooting and we'll do the practice from tomorrow onwards. Do you have any doubts, guys? Hello? Hello?
So,
Is it audible?
yeah. So at the end of course, we would be getting any kind of theoretical content.
Theoretical content you are expecting for notes, right?
Yes. Whatever discussed, practical that is okay, but whatever discussed in the class, so we would be
Okay.
getting any notes.
Theoretical part, but actually I never created earlier. But actually I am sharing the video, right?
Mm-hmm.
You'll have to prepare the notes. Better you'll have to remember it everything. For example, in Azure, we don't have any knowledge on that one. Dark.azure.com is there. Sorry. Everything it is available here. Azure documents is there. Azure Doc is there. And also, yeah, here, yeah, everything. For example, Azure only will provide the each and every document here. If you want to start anything, if you want to start anything here. For example, if you want to learn here or services, you can go here, you can learn here. But actually, I will try to provide those things. But actually, I am also working, right? The previous batches also I did not prepare it. I will share the video and they only themselves, they are preparing themselves.
Okay.
If you need more knowledge on that one, you will have to go to docs.microsoft.com. Azure only will provide those documents. Everything it is available here for theoretical part. I will give the practicals and the real-time knowledge. How we can approach the real-time scenarios, how we can do the deployments, everything. I will give the real-time and practical and everything. Do you have any doubts? Remaining guys, only one people is asking. I will stop the recording and ask you.